4, 2. Solve x squared plus 5x plus 1 is equal to 0 by completing the square method. Use the completing the square method to solve for x. So answer. How do we work out this? We first rewrite the equation in this form: x squared plus 5x is equal to -1. Okay, take the 1 to the right hand side, it becomes negative. Then the expression on the left, x squared plus 5x, how do we complete it? Okay, what is the missing term in x squared plus 5x? What is the missing term that can make it a perfect square? What is the missing term here? Again, the rule, b over 2 squared is equal to c. The missing term here is c. How do you determine c? A half of b squared will give you c. Okay, and our b here is 5 over 2 squared is equal to c. So the constant is 5 over 2 squared. We come here and substitute x squared plus 5x plus 5 over 2 squared is equal to -1. Since we have added the constant here, we also add on the right hand side plus 5 over 2 squared. Okay, are you following? Then we can simplify that. It's x squared plus 5x plus 5 over 2 squared is equal to 5 over 2 squared is equal to 25 over 4 minus 1. Just rewriting this 2, it's negative 25 over, positive 25 over 4 minus 1. So 25 over 4, converting it into a mixed number, 1 over 4. So 1 over 4 minus 1 will give us 1 over 4. 1 over 4, converting it into an improper fraction will be equal to 21 over 4. 21 over 4. So this is equal to 21 over 4, which is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 5 over 2. 5 over 2 squared. Okay, 5 over 2 squared. Now the expression on the left hand side can now be factorized. We have completed this, the square, so we can now factorize. We look for two integers so that when you multiply the two integers, it should give you 5 over 2 squared, which is the same as 25 over 4 when you multiply. And when you add the two integers, the sum should be 5. And you can see here the two integers are 5 over 2, because 5 over 2 times 5 over 2 will give you 25 over 4. And 5 over 2 plus 5 over 2 will give you 5 over 2 plus 5 over 2 is equal to 10 over 2, which is equal to 5. So the two integers are 5 over 2. So we come here and rewrite this expression, x squared, this x squared plus the 2 here, 5 over 2 is 5 over 2x plus 5 over 2x. 5 over 2x plus 5 over 2x is equal to 5x. Then plus 5 over 2 squared is equal to 21 over 4. 21 over 4. So we go to the next step. We pair up the terms, x squared plus 5 over 2x, pair the terms, plus 5 over 2x, 5 over 2x plus 5 over 2 squared, okay, is equal to 21 over 4. 21 over 4. 21 over 4. We are at this point. You can see here x is common. We take it out, x into x plus 5 over 2. Next here, 5 over 2 is common, plus 5 over 2 into x plus 5 over 2. 5 over 2. So simplifying it further, we have x, this x, plus 5 over 2, 5 over 2, x plus 5 over 2, which can also be written as x plus 5 over 2 squared. Remember, this should be equal to 21 over 4 over 4. This is equal to 21 over 4. This is equal to 21 over 4. 21 over 4. So taking the square root on both sides, that's the next step. Square root on both sides. The square root of x plus 5x squared is x plus 5 over 2. The square root of 21 is 4.583. The square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 4 is 2. Then this should be equal to x plus 5 over 2 should be equal to plus or minus 4.583 over 2. So we can do some quick division here. 4.583, 2 goes here once, 2 goes here twice. This is 4. 18, 2 goes into 18 9 times. Okay, so 2.29. 2.29. So x plus 5 over 2 is equal to plus or minus 2.29. Okay, therefore x is either plus 2.29 minus 5 over 2 is equal to 2.5, okay, minus 2.5, or x is equal to minus 2.29, okay, minus 2.5. This is 2.5 minus 2.5 minus 2.5, which is equal to So x is either equal to plus 2.29 minus 2.5. I've converted the improper fraction to decimal, okay, because here we are working with decimals. So 2.29 minus 2.5, this is equal to minus 0.21. Then minus 2.29 minus 2.5, negative 4.79, or negative 0.21.